This is Miss Coco's litter. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Just cleaned out their cage, so I thought that I would do a little video. That is the yellow collar, the green collar, the dark pink collar, the pink collar, and that is the purple collar in the back. They will be 5 weeks tomorrow. And they are so little. They're so tiny. Whenever I meet some of my buyers, they're like, oh, wow, this puppy's really tiny. And I'm just like, yeah, they're actually really little. But whenever I take pictures, I have to get so close to the puppies so you can actually see it. That the puppies look big because I have to make them look big so you can see the puppy. But they're actually really small puppies. Our biggest puppy, whenever it went home, was 4 pounds. So they're normally around 2, 3 pounds. And they're starting to eat puppy food. Normally I do puppy mush, but I've been finding out lately that if I just put the food and water down lower so they can reach it, they've been doing fantastic with dry puppy food. And they don't even need the wet food because this puppy food is super, super tiny that they're not going to choke on it. Oh, look at a puppy. Hey, girl, you're missing out on all the fun. Oh, and I do want to say, since I've been having to text people individually because of Facebook, I made a vet appointment for this litter and the other 2 litters, and they all